Number 1. Procrastination. Constantly delaying tasks, even small ones, can feel harmless, but over time, it quietly destroys your productivity, focus, and sense of achievement. Each postponed responsibility adds stress, guilt, and anxiety, creating a cycle where opportunities slip away unnoticed. Success requires action today, not tomorrow, and procrastination silently steals your potential and growth. Number 2. Mindless screen time. Spending countless hours on your phone, binge-watching TV, or endlessly scrolling social media may seem relaxing, but it drains your energy, steals your time, and keeps you from real-life connections. The more you consume passively, the less you achieve actively, leaving you stuck in a cycle of distraction, regret, and unfulfilled potential. Number 3. Negative self-talk. Criticizing yourself constantly or doubting your abilities may feel natural, but it silently weakens your confidence, mindset, and resilience. Negative self-talk shapes your beliefs, limits growth, and prevents you from pursuing dreams or taking risks. Every harsh thought chips away at your motivation and joy, leaving you trapped in self-imposed limitations. Number 4. Poor sleep habits. Ignoring sleep or having irregular sleep patterns may not seem harmful, but over time, it silently destroys mental clarity, emotional stability, and physical health. Chronic sleep deprivation clouds decision-making, reduces focus, and lowers energy levels. Without proper rest, even the most productive days feel exhausting, and your body and mind gradually suffer. Number 5. Overconsumption of junk food. Relying on processed, sugary, or fast foods may satisfy cravings, but it silently damages your body, energy, and mood. Regular consumption of unhealthy meals weakens immunity, reduces focus, and increases fatigue. Over time, it can lead to chronic illnesses, low self-esteem, and a life limited by poor health, stealing your vitality without obvious warning signs. Number 6. Avoiding responsibility. Blaming others or refusing accountability might feel easier, but it silently stunts personal growth and maturity. Avoiding mistakes prevents learning, damages relationships, and keeps you stuck in life's challenges. Taking ownership of your actions builds confidence, opens doors to progress, and quietly shapes you into someone reliable, strong, and capable. Number 7. Living in comfort zones. Always choosing safety and avoiding challenges might feel secure, but it silently restricts your growth. Fear of discomfort prevents you from learning new skills, facing fears, and expanding your potential. Staying in familiar routines keeps you mediocre, while true growth, achievement, and confidence live just beyond the boundaries of your comfort zone. Number 8. Overworrying. Overthinking or worrying about situations beyond your control wastes energy and silently destroys peace of mind. Excessive worry clouds judgment, prevents decisions, and steals focus from the present. Living in constant fear of what might happen keeps you from taking meaningful actions, enjoying life, and building resilience to face challenges confidently. Number 9. Comparing yourself to others. Constantly measuring your success against others fuels jealousy, dissatisfaction, and self-doubt. Social comparison distorts reality, making you focus on what others have instead of your own journey. This habit silently erodes confidence, steals motivation, and prevents you from recognizing your unique strengths, leaving potential untapped and achievements unnoticed. Number 10. Neglecting physical activity. Living a sedentary lifestyle, avoiding exercise, or skipping movement might seem convenient, but it silently harms your body, mind, and energy levels. Lack of activity reduces strength, endurance, and mental clarity, making daily tasks harder and life less vibrant. Regular exercise builds resilience, boosts mood, and empowers you to face challenges with confidence. These habits may seem small, but they are slowly destroying your life, your focus, your health, and your peace of mind. The good news is you can change it. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you take back control. Every time you say no to comfort, you grow stronger. Break these habits before they break you. Because the moment you decide to change, your entire life begins to transform.